Hello again. In this video we are going to talk about page structure. What we got here is a clean installation of demo. So here we have two types of templates, main page and default template. Main page is for creating the single page structure and we are using it only once. I'm going to create my main page here. Before that, let me show you how the website looks like before I create the main page. Here are the posts that I have created to prepare for this video. And my website is showing the latest posts. After creating the main page, I'm going to Setting, Reading, and set the main page as my front page. Now, I'm going to check what happens to my website. Here you can see that the main page is set as the front page, but it doesn't have any content. So, going back to pages, we have three types of sections, which can be both used in main page or as an external page. To choose pages, you should use default template. Here are the different sections: custom section, blog section, and portfolio section. Anything other than blog and portfolio goes to custom section. So all the shortcodes and other elements of the website are going to custom section. Here is one of our demo websites. You can see all the elements which are created in custom section. Then we have portfolio here, which is using portfolio section. And blog section, which is using the blog section. The blog part, which is using the blog section. So going back here, I'm going to create a blog section. I'm going to give it a name, and the first option I have here is title. Title can show post title or show a custom title. I'm going to show you how to use a custom title. For example, I give it a name and a subtitle, and we will see how it looks like later. Next section is section display. We can choose to show the blog in main page or in an external page. The main page is what I just showed you. And we have display in menu option, which I will explain at the end of this video. I'm going to publish my page and set the blog page as my post page in setting ratings. Here you can see that I have added blog section to my main page. It also has a custom title. Now let's go back to pages and create a portfolio page. I'm setting this section to portfolio section. The options are different from the blog, but some of them are the same. The first option, which is different, is portfolio category. I can choose to show the selected categories or all categories. I haven't created any category in portfolio section yet, but later you can see how this option functions. The next option is portfolio post per page. It is the number of portfolio items which is shown initially in my main page. Let me show you. For example, here we have 6 portfolio items. So if I want to have 6 portfolio items, I have to set this option on 6. Next option is section display. Again, you can choose to show this section in main page or in an external page. Next one is displaying portfolio filter. You can choose to show or not show it. Let me show you what is portfolio filter. What we have here is a portfolio filter. Okay. Going back, we can choose to show the portfolio detail in the main page, which is using Ajax, or you can choose to show it in an external page. And the last option again is to display or not to display it in the menu. I'm going to publish my portfolio page again. Now I'm going to appearance menus to add blog and portfolio to my menu. First I have to create a menu, and then I add the pages I've created to this menu. Don't forget to check primary and mobile navigation. Okay, you can see that the portfolio is first and then there's blog. And checking the website, we can see that portfolio and blog are here with the same order that they are in the menu. First is portfolio, then there's blog. So the key is to load the content and different sections and pages to your main page. You have to add them to the menu. By drag and drop and changing the position of a page or section in the menu, you change the order of the appearance in the main page. I've just changed the position of blog to the first, and now I have blog as the first section of my main page. Now, what if I want to load a section but I don't want it to show on the menu? I'm going to Pages. I'm going to open the page that I don't want to show in menu, and the last option is section display in menu. I choose don't show this section in menu and update. Now the section which is added to the menu will be shown on the main page, but it will not shown on the menu. Here you can see that the portfolio is gone, but it is already in the main page. So again, you may notice that if you want to load a section in the main page, you have to add it to the menu. The last section is custom section. In custom section, you can add and create all the elements which are not portfolio or blog. The page template should be set on default template, and I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts. Here we have Visual Composer. You can simply add elements just like this. Here are the list of shortcuts that you can create different elements on your website, and they are really easy to work with. So again, for using portfolio and blog, we have to choose portfolio and blog section, and for using other elements, we have to choose custom section. Here are the shortcuts and the other elements which are using custom section.